Putting the fun into functional, a bunk bed is a fantastic addition to a kid's room, whether it's used for siblings that share or the occasional sleepover. Kids love bunk beds, and parents will appreciate their space-saving design. Despite their height, bunk beds have a compact footprint, making them a smart choice for any room. If you're seeking a Murphybed that is designed to be multifunctional, the Square Deco Murphy wall bed is an excellent choice. It features a built-in desk that folds down with the bed, along with shelves and 2 storage drawers for added convenience. They also offer a convertible sofa bed that transforms easily from a sofa to a pull-out bed with a simple roll-out mechanism. The seat and back cushions stay attached, so you won't need to find extra storage for them when your guests are sleeping. Another great option is their space-saving table that switches between a coffee table and a dining table. With adjustable height and extensions, you can quickly convert your living room into a dining area. It also has wheels for easy mobility. For even more flexibility, check out their couch that converts into a bunk bed for 2 adults. Lift the seat base, lock it in place with a built-in ladder, and open the support guards. It's easy to set up and comes in various fabric colors. Lastly, their vertical Murphybed includes top storage cabinets and shelves. This version is perfect for small spaces with lower ceilings, offering extra storage for books and more. Building on the efficient use of space seen with the Murphybed, kitchen designs can also benefit from smart solutions that maximize functionality. Corner cabinets with rotating shelves, pull-out pantry shelves, and trash bin cabinets ensure every inch is used efficiently. These innovations transform even the smallest kitchens into functional and stylish spaces, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Check out this awesome coffee table. In just seconds, it effortlessly transforms from a dining or work table into a sleek coffee table. The legs fold inward and hide neatly inside the main body. Adjusting its height is a breeze. Pull the lever underneath and push up or down. You can set it anywhere from 30 to 11 inches off the ground. When you need to extend it again, pull out the ends, unfold the surface panels, and you're good to go. Moving the table is super easy, no matter its stage. You can extend or hide one or both ends, depending on how many people you're hosting. This brilliantly simple design is incredibly versatile. Continuing the theme of smart design, a motorized TV lift cabinet adds a touch of luxury and practicality to any room. This sleek solution hides your TV when not in use and reveals it at the touch of a button. For a small bedroom, studio, or guest room, a slide-away bed offers an ideal space-saving solution. This innovative mobile bed can disappear into the ceiling, instantly freeing up valuable floor space. With the extra room, you can add a desk to create a productive workspace or install a fold-down table for dining. In a studio apartment, placing a bench or table under the bed can transform the area into a cozy living space. Similarly, a ceiling bed from a Space Topper offers a different, but equally effective space-saving mechanism. At night, your bed descends from the ceiling, providing a comfortable resting area. During the day, you can raise the bed to the ceiling to reveal even more floor space. This clever design maintains functionality and maximizes space. Another ingenious space-saving solution is the horizontally opening wall bed with an integrated 7-foot desk. This design features a unique pivoting desk mechanism that keeps the desk perfectly level with the floor as the bed opens, so you can keep items in place even when the bed is in use. For kitchenettes short on space, this sideboard doubles as a kitchen table, showcasing its impressive split personality. With compartments of various sizes to store your kitchen essentials, it morphs into a side table with a simple flip of its folding doors. When it's time to tidy up, just close the doors, and poof! Your clutter vanishes, leaving your space looking as fresh as a newly cleaned kitchen floor. From the same company, Parisot takes the idea of using space under the bed to the next level. In a small bedroom, having shelves built into the side of your bed for easy access to your stuff is a game changer. But it gets even better. This bed features a door at the end that lifts up to store an entire suitcase or enough clothes for a 3-week vacation under your mattress. With drawers and shelves to keep things tidy, and a bit of extra height for all this storage, you can simply use one of the sturdy shelves as a step to get in. Problem solved. It's like having a secret storage compartment right under your bed. Hidden Vision specializes in TV mounts that make your television play hide and seek. This nifty design uses camouflage to blend your TV seamlessly into its surroundings when it's not in use. It's like your TV is a master of disguise. When you're ready to settle in for a movie, just press a button and ta-da! Your TV magically appears in seconds, as if it's emerging from a secret hideout. Similarly, for rooms that are especially tight on space, consider a loft bed with a desk and cabinets built right in. This heavy-duty option maximizes every inch of your room, providing both functionality and efficiency. This wall bunk bed is a clever and practical design. What's cool is that it's a pull-down bed, so when you're not using it, the beds disappear into the wall. The design is compact, simple, and elegant without extra decorations. The upper bed even has an innovative upholstered safety barrier, making it safe for kids. Additionally, there's a third comfortable bed on the right with top shelving storage. Next up is the Murphy Sofa Stratus from Expand Furniture. When it's time to sleep, just remove the cushions and pull the bed down from the wall. This design is perfect if you use your bedroom as a living space during the day or if you need an extra bed for guests. No need to worry about making the bed, just push it back up against the wall to reclaim your living space. The extendable coffee and dining table is also handy, providing support for the end of the bed and maximizing the design. It's compatible with 60 centimeters and 100 centimeters shelving modules, as well as the Stratus sofa modules. Next, check out this innovative sliding Murphybed. Unlike the usual pull-out mechanism, this Murphybed slides out instead. It features a built-in hidden TV at the foot of the bed. The TV stays completely out of sight until you're ready to watch your favorite show or movie. It rises up and swivels for viewing from the bed or any other angle in the room. Another useful feature is that the bed can be remotely controlled. When you're done using it, just press a button and the bed will slide back into the unit, neatly out of sight. H2O Architects The Cabin is a masterclass in space optimization, transforming a cramped ski resort apartment into a functional haven for 8. The architects designed a single, monolithic wooden unit that seamlessly integrates all living essentials. This wall turns into a staircase and a door that leads to the electronic equipment room.